Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 40. Let's come and share this video because it's amazing. Today I bought a new accessory for my Xbox controllers. Bro, look at that. This is all of my Xbox controller right now, bro. Can you see this? Yes, and this is what I'm talking about. What I bought look like this. What you see here? Can you see this? Yes, this is for your joystick, and I love this. I bought a new one and it's on this sachet. I want to make unboxing and the test with you. Get ready, bro. Get ready because I'm ready. I want to change everything. Yes, and add something like that here also. And this is Xbox One controller. Get ready for that. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, bro, I'm ready. Don't forget, like, comment, share this video because it's amazing. Now, get ready for the unboxing. I bought this new accessory today. I don't know how it looks like on real life. This is online shopping. Now, Bill, whoa, it's like what I bought, what I said it. Damn, look at that. You believe it? You believe it, my friend? Can you see this, bro? Okay, no problem. Let's go for the unboxing. This is something very, very important because sometimes when you play games with this joystick, just like that is not comfortable sometimes, honestly. But when you add something like that, is more strong. If the feeling is better, it's better. It's like something very complete. Yes, this is what I think. Look at that. Can you see this? Can you see the difference? And this is what I'm talking about. So let's go for the unboxing and we'll see. Wait a minute. How to open this sachet? Oh, I think what is like that. Wait a minute. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Now I want to pick everything from here. I bought 4. Look at that. 2 here and 2 also here. Can you see this? Can you imagine? It's not bad. It's black. It's black. Can you see this? You can see Gran Turismo 7. Can you see this? This is Gran Turismo 7. It's different van. This, can you see this? I bought this color for this controller. Yes, because this accessory is better with this Minecrafting edition controller. Yes, it's better with this, but I want something special for this. So what can I do? First of all, let's test this brand new to this Xbox One controller, the original version. How to put it inside. Let me show you. As you can see, you take this like that, okay, and you try to put this inside just like that. Look at, it's not difficult generally. Just can you see, look at, you need to put this inside and beam. Wow, unbelievable. And it's strong. Wow, it's very strong. Wow, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Look at how it look like. Look at how it look like, my friend. Damn. New accessories. Damn, this accessories. This accessory is just cool. Yes. And one of the most coolest thing is that it's strong, it's not move, it's just strong. It's not like this one. This is different. As you can see, very different. Let's remove this. I can see I put glue under just to to stabilize this. But wow, look at the difference. Look at the difference between both of them. Can you see this? Wow, it's so different. Wow, different. The design, this is perfect. Perfect design. Oh, I'm happy. I don't need to put this glue or inside. Okay, don't need this anymore because the brand new one is the best. Yes. So let's finish the job. Add next one here. Wow, I'm shocked. I not expected this. Honestly, wow, it's just perfect. Wow, it's just perfect. I'm so happy, bro. I'm so happy. Damn, look at that, my friend. Look at that. Look at how it look like now. Look at how it look like right now. Do you believe it? Wow, the most coolest thing is what it's just perfect. It's strong. It not move. You don't need glue anymore. Oh, I love it. This is what I'm looking for. Many times ago, many times I'm looking for this. Damn. Damn. Can you see this? Wow. This is the most cool experience in my life right now. I'm so happy, bro. I'm happy. Woo. Damn. Honestly, bro, you need this absolutely for better experience. Honestly, for better experience, if you play games many times on a day, you need something like that absolutely. Or elite Xbox controller. Okay, yes, to remove, to change everything. But wow, this is cool. Now let's move on with what I'm looking for. As you can see, what I want to do is just to remove this, remove also this, because look at, it's very easy to remove it because the size is big. It's biggest than this. It's not stabilized. Can you see this? This is what I'm talking to you, bro. This is what I'm talking to you. Can you see this? Now I have all of this, and I'm ready to change everything, my friend. I'm ready to change everything and add a brand new one. Yeah, look at that. This is crazy. Okay, let's go. Now, let's go change. Let's take both of them. And as you can see, this is black. I'll choose black here. And this is blue, shark blue. And I'll have blue also here. Yes, and this is what I'm talking about. Now let's start by putting this here. Okay. Wow, very strong also. It's very strong also. Wow. Can you imagine? I don't need glue anymore. Wow, I'm shocked. Now I want to change also the next. Wow, I'm shocked, my friend. Damn. Happy. Birthday is amazing day. Yes. Wow. 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 What do you think? What do you think? Can you see this? Bro, I'm so happy! Wow, look at that. Bro, when I'm playing with this accessory with this, sometimes it's drop. It's drop. Yes, this is why I decided to put something like that inside just to try to protect it. But this problems not exist anymore. Now it's become pretty cool. I have black here, and black here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put this thing here just to protect my eyes against the brightness of Xbox controller button. Now, can you see this? When I turn on, I have just a little light. As you can see inside, just a little light you can see inside, just here. Okay, and wow, this is what I'm looking for. Yes, bro. Wow, it's better, it's cool, it's nice. The colors look like my controller. I have white, black, and black also here, black and black. No, it's professional. I feel like it's not professional. Can you read it? Can you read it? Okay, look at that. Look at both of them. Look at that. Can you see this, bro? Which is beautiful? This is black, total black. Can you see this? This is Xbox One controller. This is Xbox One X controller. Okay. Can you see this? No, now I want to do something. I want just to remove this. I'll remove this. Easy. And change this whole thing. Oh, look at that. I want to change everything. Just remove this. Wow. Look at how it's become. Damn. This is an old controller. It's definitely different than this. Normally normally is the original version look like this. Okay, but the protection here will not exist anymore because I'm playing too much. Let's try to see if I can try this here and let's see what it. Oh, look at that. It's not really strong. It's not strong because the protection doesn't exist anymore. This is why I create my own magic trick and put this here like that. After this, I put this inside. I think I need to change for something another one very strong. Okay. This. Okay, this is very strong. Okay. I want to try another one here. I feel that this red accessory is look beautiful with this pink controller. Yes, honestly, I feel that this is more adaptable for this Xbox controller, bro. This is Minecraft Pink Edition. Minecraft Pink Edition. In this series, I have battery inside. This is, and yes. I think that it's not resistant. Let's try another one. Okay, but yes, this is good for him. Yes, good. It's for him. Nice. Can you see this? Can you see this, bro? Can you see this, my friend? Can you see this, my friend? What do you think? Wow. Now I have red one for this and the blue and black for this new controller. Can you see this, bro? Can you see this? What is the best for you? What is the best for you, bro? What is the best for you? What is the best? I love both of them. I love both of them. Yes, I love all of it. Not bad, but you need to make your choice right now. You need to make your choice and tell me everything. Commentary and space. Yes. This is just crazy. No, I can add face blue one here. Okay. Blue, yeah. Yeah, okay, cool. Cool. Another one. Yeah. Just like that. Okay, cool. Now it look perfect. Cool. Nice. As you can see, it look great. It look great. Okay. Excellent. It's in good position. Yes. Let's see what I'm talking about. Can you see it? I love this. The noises. This is original wireless control. It's both wireless controller. The first one. Yes. I love this. Let's see why I'm still keeping this. And also this. Can you see this? Can you see this, my friend? Can you see this? Yes. And this is what I'm talking to you. This is what I'm talking to you. Yes. Now, tell me what you think about this. And I see you later for more videos like that on GNANGSTUDIO for the YouTube channel. God bless you. And I see you later for amazing videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. You can now like and share this video because I want to enjoy this controller right now. I want to enjoy everything. I want to enjoy this. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, nice. Different buttons, different colors. Can you see this? Different colors. Different colors. Also different. And very different also. Different one. And this. Okay, cool. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And I'll see you later. Because this is so great. So nice. Yes. Wow. I love it. I love this. 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 Wow, look at that. Wow. It's more beautiful than I expected. Damn. Beautiful.